students, today we will read chapter number 1, sentence structure. In this chapter we will discuss how to be arrange the parts of a sentence in a proper way so that the sentence conveys its proper meaning. Okay, so students, sentence structure shows us how the various parts of a sentence are arranged so that the reader or listener understands its meaning properly. Students, if we don't arrange the parts of a sentence in proper manner, the sentence will not make any sense and we will not be understand its meaning clearly. Our reader or listener will not be able to understand its meaning clearly. Let's take a simple example. Mahesh plays the piano. It is a proper sentence. It makes sense because if the parts of a sentence are in proper manner, we easily come to know what does Mahesh do. We come to know that Mahesh plays the piano. Second is plays Mahesh the piano. This does not make any sense at all because here the parts of a sentence are not arranged properly. Okay, so students, a simple sentence is a basic sentence structure that we have already learned about the subject and predicate in our previous classes. You know that what is mean by verb. Verb means a word which denote an action. All the action words are known as verb. A verb tells us what the subject is and what does the subject does. What the subject does and what the subject is. See how a film star visited a town. He was tall and handsome. Sentence 1 tell us what does the film star is doing. He is visiting. It's a visited. It's a doing verb or action verb. He was tall and handsome. It tells us what the subject is. Was. He is tall and handsome. So was is a telling verb or we can call it as a auxiliary verb or helping verb. Visited, doing verb, action verb, or it is helping verb or auxiliary verb. So apart from subject and predicate, sentence has another third part which we call an object. Object is a part of a sentence that comes after the action verb. It receives the action what the subject does. Always remember that object always come after the action verb. See how do we find out the object. In order to find out the object, we put the question tag who and what after the verb. Okay students, if we want to find out the object in our sentence, we put the word who or what after the verb. See, our sentence is a film star visited a town. So we will use who after a verb who visited. So our question will be like visited what is answered. The answer we get here a town. Town is an object here. Okay. And in order to find the subject, we put who and what before the verb. Before the verb, here we will use who. Who visited a town? The answer we get here a film star. So the film star is a subject and town is an object here. Okay. So always remember, in order to find the subject, we use question word before the verb, and in order to find the object, we use question word after the verb. Okay. So the structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus object. Subject film star plus verb visited and object a town. Now comes sentence 2. Sentence 2 tell us about what the subject is. He was tall and handsome. Okay, it describes the subject. The part of a sentence that tell us about something about the subject is called a complement. It describes the subject. So, okay students, the part of a sentence which describe the subject. It tell us about the quality of the subject. Okay, it tell us about some unique quality or something which describe the subject is called complement. He was tall and handsome. So the sentence structure of this sentence is like subject plus verb plus complement. He subject was a verb and tall and handsome it's a complement. Students, complement can be a noun, adjective or adverb. He is a lawyer, noun complement. He seems intelligent, adjective complement. They came early, adverb complement. These three-part structure is a basic sentence structure. Students, the three-part structure is a basic sentence structure. Complement generally follow linking verbs like such as in its various form like am, is, are, was, were. Appear, seeing, grow, become, make, turn, smell, look and taste. Okay. Thank you.